Well, welcome to Mike Travels. Today I'm in Bonifacio Global City, better known as BGC. I was staying in Old Manila for 3 days, and the contrast between BGC and Old Manila, where I stayed, has to be seen to be believed. This area was cleared in 1995. Development started. In 2003, development kicked on much more aggressively, and then in the 2020s it's had a skyscraper boom. So it's known as the most modern district in the Philippines, BGC. Clean, safe, and the most walkable urban zone. Very impressive. I'm suggesting if you're coming to the Philippines, obviously if you looked at some of my earlier videos, I've spent a lot of time in the old part of Manila and the outlying areas, including Tondo, which is a very, very poor socio-economic area. But BGC, this is modern. This is everything corporate. The stock exchange is located here. All the top high-end international hotels are located here. I spent about 3 or 4 hours over here, caught the taxi over, 13-kilometre trip from Old Manila. Traffic's very busy though, it took about an hour to do 13 kilometres. But yeah, they're very impressive this, and I'm suggesting that there'd be a lot of foreigners. If they're moving to the Philippines for a career, work or whatever, I'd say that BGC would be the place where they would want to live. Also, if you're a tourist and you want to use a base to tour around the Philippines, I'm suggesting probably BGC would be a good selection as well. Even though it's much more expensive here than Old Manila, it depends on the luxury levels you want, of course. But this area here, BGC, is just magnificent. Shopping, restaurants, whatever you wanted, it's here. I was particularly impressed by the set out, the way it's been planned. Underground power lines, for instance. That's incredible for when you compare it to Old Manila. But the top-end restaurants, the bars, the nightlife, the beautiful open-air boulevard that runs right down the middle of High Street, this shopping facility here, it's very, very impressive. And as they say, this is the most modern district in the Philippines. This is the district that the Philippines wants the rest of the world to see. Yeah, so it's the Wild West bar here, and I've ordered buffalo wings and a nice San Miguel, but I can't believe how different this is here compared to where I've come from, the old part of Milan. It's just totally different over here. God, all the big franchisees and all the big restaurants. Anyway, let's see how these wings are. The difference between BCG or BGC and the rest of Manila, the old part of Manila, is just unbelievable. This is a Monday night, and it's absolutely in a frenzy. Got this amazing park on top of the building where it's trees, greenery, kids playground, very nice. It's like an oasis on top of a building. I don't know how many stories up we are, but it's pretty high. But a great outdoor space up here for the residents and people who live in the apartment buildings around here. There's an amazing number of restaurants here though. I tell you, this is the closest I feel like to Bangkok. Every nationality, every restaurant that you'd possibly think of is here. You've got to love it, these big cities, don't you? Monday night and there's food open till, well, I don't know, we're in some building here, but there's that many restaurants. This is a food court. Monday night and there's that many people eating late, and the food variety is incredible. No wonder they love living here. There's something to eat here all the time. Something to do. Yeah. What I have noticed, every building, every business, every shop has a guard. Every shop in Manila has a guard, a security guard on the front door. The banks have one out the front, then they open the door for each individual client who goes in, then they lock the door, and there's a guard inside. And things are certainly not cheap in BCG though. This costs 300 pesos. My meal, the chicken wings and a beer, costs 665 pesos. So it's definitely a bit more expensive over here than the old town of Manila. But it's nice though, very nice. They're all lining up to get in the jeeps here. Well, I've finished my stay in Manila at the Manila Hotel, which was fantastic, built in 1912, beautiful hotel. So if you're coming to Manila and you stay in the old part of Manila, I'd strongly recommend the Manila Hotel. Beautiful room. Okay, it's over 112 years old, but the facilities, the service was fantastic. The old part of Manila's a bit run down, but I went to BGC, which is totally different, beautiful. So if you're coming to Philippines and you want to stay near Manila, I'd suggest BGC is probably a better option. More restaurants, a lot more modern, more accommodation, better quality hotels, etc. So